My name is Joshua Gaikwad. I'm 13 years of age and I live with two amazing parents and one adorable rabbit. I am an avid photographer, a nature enthusiast and an animal lover. I also love cooking and all things game. Everybody dreams of taking those absolutely perfect pictures. I am here to help you take those stunning pictures. My first hack is to use negative space. Negative space is a trick used by photographers to enhance the viewer's focus on the subject. Now, the subject at hand may be a person or an animal. Now, what is negative space, you're asking, and how does it help us? Negative space is essentially when your background is the same color tone or neutral. This is used by photographers to help the viewer focus more on the subject and there aren't any distractions in the background. Hi guys, I'm here to show you an example of negative space. I have my beautiful rabbit with me as a subject and this is going to be our frame. Now this wall is the same color tone and it's pretty neutral. So all focus is going to be on this rabbit over here. So now I'm going to take a picture of her. As you can see, all focus is on her and the background is pretty neutral. Please use this trick when you're shooting a photo of a subject. My second tip is to use the rule of thirds. This rule helps you take the most eye-catching, most amazing photos ever. To use the rule of thirds, imagine 4 imaginary lines on your screen. 2 lying horizontally and 2 lying vertically, creating 9 even squares. Some images are better with the focal point in the center, but placing your subject off center creates your most aesthetically pleasing photographs. Well, this is because it's through numerous tests and studies, scientists have figured out that the eye diverts to the left or the right hand side of the screen first. Now that just goes against everything we were taught as a child when taking a photograph, right? Hi guys, I'm back in my balcony to give you an example of the rule of thirds. I have my lovely assistant with me and she's going to be the subject for this photo. Now I'm going to take 2 photos. Now just notice the difference in framing and how the rule of thirds makes the picture ever more pleasing to the eye. The first one and the second one. The difference in framing is that she is on the left hand side of the frame. And remember how I told you that the left hand side of the frame or the right hand side of the frame are where the eyes go to the most. So I hope you use this tip. My third tip will really make your pictures pop. And that's of course colors. Well, complementary colors are colors that go together. And colors have opposites. So, for example, if you're going to a forest, you might want to make the subject wear red or magenta. And if you want to go to some other place with a different color, look at this color wheel. Hey guys, my fourth tip is to use leading lines. Well, leading lines are actual lines that help the viewer focus on the subject. The lines could be tramway tracks, metro tracks, railway tracks, or even cable lines. Anything that can help the viewer move to your subject. Well, this is an example of leading lines. In this image, the mountains outlines are leading towards the subject, which is in this case me. My fifth tip is to reduce camera shake. What is camera shake? Well, camera shake is the camera shaking, causing the image to be more blurry. Now, how do you reduce camera shake? Well, if you're an experienced photographer, you may already have a steady hand. But if you need a little more help, I suggest using a tripod or anything that can support your hands and reduce camera shake. This is a bonus tip, because you know what? You guys have been a great audience. Well, I suggest using photo editing apps to enhance your photos a little more, such as HDR. HDR is not a photo editing app, but it's something you can do in photo editing apps. Photo editing apps are a way of artificially enhancing your photos. Apps such as Lightroom or Photoshop are used by many photographers to help the photo be more better. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.